everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sarah's View. Today is day 8 of the swimming series program. If you're watching this video for the first time, we're learning swimming in 20 days. Please go to my channel playlist swimming series to watch it from the beginning. Today we're gonna learn right and left hand movement in freestyle using kickboard. Don't forget to do warm-up before you start. Come, let's learn together. Practice these activities. Once you are done, please go check my day 9 video in the swimming series playlist. Bye! Have a nice day!